This illustrates how easy it is to cut pieces that are too big to fit on the turntable. You set them on the edge of the table and you simply trace around them with the hot wire cutter. And then here's one of the pieces already there. What I'll do is shut it off, set it down here, and I'm going to reverse them now. Here's the platter, and I just have to make sure that it's physically supported the same way. And I've got to be sure that I don't wind up hitting the table when I make the cut. So here I go. Of course, you have to be careful. You don't want to drop the platter on the floor in the process and break the platter. That's always embarrassing when that happens. But here goes. I have a foot switch right here that allows me to turn the power on. Then I'll begin the cut the same way. When I reach near the end of the cut, what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a hold of it so I don't drop it. And I'll power that off. Now I'm going to grab the box that this fits in. And I'm setting these components then in here. One here. And the other here. And now this is ready. Notice that it doesn't have to be foam everywhere. This will keep that, once the platter's in there, that will be held in place.